In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Turnitin account without class ID. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've noticed a lot of people are asking how to create a Turnitin account without that class ID. So I'm going to clear this up properly. If you're trying to sign in or sign up as a student, the short answer is that it's not possible to complete a standard Turnitin student account without a class ID and enrollment key. So Turnitin is built for schools and universities, so students can only join a class that has already been created by an instructor. So if you're a student, the correct way is to get access is by asking your teacher or lecturer for the class ID and enrollment key. Once they create the class, they will give you those details, and then you can register your account and submit your assignments normally. Without those two pieces of information, Turnitin won't let you finish the sign up process. But however, if you're a teacher, tutor, or academic staff member, you can create a Turnitin instructor account without needing a class ID. So you want to click on Instructor. Basically, during the sign up, you simply choose the instructor options, enter your personal and institutional details, and verify your email address. Once your account is approved, you'll be able to create classes yourself and generate class IDs for students to join. Now, if your main goal is not class submission but by checking plagiarism, then Turnitin might not be necessary. There are several plagiarism checker alternatives available online that can help you scan your work for originality. While these tools don't use Turnitin's exact database, they can still be useful for basic plagiarism checks.